To complete our last example problem here, we need to introduce a formula. And in this case, what we need is the formula for the average value of a function on some interval from a to b. So the average value of a given function can be calculated as 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So essentially, given some function, if we want to find the average value, we just find the definite integral of that function on that interval, and then multiply by 1 over the range of values that we're considering for x. So in this case, we want to find the average value for 6t squared minus 2t on the interval from -2 to 3. This means we would find 1 over 3 minus -2. Take that times the integral of -2 to 3 of 6t squared minus 2t dt. So 1 over 3 minus -2 is just going to be 1/5 times 6 times t cubed over 3 minus 2 times t squared over 2 plus c, with that being evaluated from x equals -2, or actually I guess I should say t equals -2. So t equals 3. And then simplifying our antiderivative a little bit, we get 2t cubed minus t squared plus c, and then we still need to evaluate that from -2 to 3. So this will be 1/5 times, and we'll evaluate this antiderivative at 3. That'll be 2 times 27. So 2 times 3 cubed minus 3 squared is 9 plus c. And then we'll subtract that same function, this time evaluated at -2. So we'll get 2 times -8 minus -2 squared is going to be +4, so -4 plus c. So again, we'll distribute this negative through, which means our c's both cancel. And we're left with 2 times 27 minus 9 is going to give us 45. -2 times -8 plus 4 will give us 20, or an average value of 13.